Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Michael Levan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And what I wanted to do is go through something really cool that I learned yesterday on Tim Warner's AI training over at cloudskills.io. And what that was there's actually sandboxes and different ways that you can test artificial intelligence and machine learning and all that really cool stuff right on a Microsoft website. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. And I want to show you something really cool, which is this cool little sketchbook thing. Let's go ahead. Okay, so I'm at this website and you can get to it by going to sketch2code.azurewebsites.net. So what it allows you to do, and I think this is really cool, it allows you to transform any hand-drawn design into HTML code with AI. So as you can see here, there's like a few different examples that we can use. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this payment info example. So I'm going to click use this sample. And then, as we can see, just like that, it's done. Pretty sweet. So your sketch, and then it actually puts down all the information here. Now, the one thing is it doesn't exactly get everything because we see that it says payment inf. We need payment info. Same thing with name, NAM. We want it to be NAME, of course. Let's go ahead and click on predicted object details. So it's actually not bad, like the statistics based on what we got. So for example, the back button had a 90% probability. The next step button had a 93% probability. Cardholder name had a 83% probability. That's, why I'm assuming the E was left off here. Text box, 88%. Expiry date, only 33%. That's interesting. Let's actually maybe do another one here. I'm going to try a new design. Maybe let's use I want to look for like a complicated one if there's one in this. Yeah, this looks pretty complicated. All right, let's use this sample. And yeah, got pretty close, I would think, right? Yeah, this one feels like it got like much closer. Community contracts, find out more. Yeah, very cool. Making life easier, G. That G obviously shouldn't be there. So for example, let's go to making life easier. See, it actually read the text wrong, I think. And probably a lot of this, I'm assuming, is based off of like people's handwriting and stuff. I'm using a sample because I have absolutely terrible handwriting. So if you have terrible handwriting, definitely try out the sample. But the other really cool thing too is like you could actually download the HTML code and then you could pretty much use it for anything else. So what I want to do is I want to do Azure AI Labs. And if you want to try out a different type of lab, so for example, like you can see popular labs here, and then you could browse all projects. And then from there, you have like a bunch of different labs that you can try. So for example, Microsoft Math, you could do machine reading comprehension, answers questions about written text. That's really cool. Snip Insights helps users find intelligent insights from a snip or screenshot. So actually click on that one. That sounds really cool. And then you can see that the source code, it's open source, so you can go ahead and you can grab it. And then if you want to go through the project, you just follow this installation method and that's pretty much it. And then you can start going through the project. So I hope that you found this interesting and definitely check out the Azure AI stuff. It's definitely something that one of these days I'm gonna jump more into artificial intelligence and ML. With that, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you again next time.